Everyone, welcome to New York Open today with your one and only Eivindfx here. So, hope that you are doing fantastic as always. So that we can do some nice things together. So, if you are new here, please welcome yourself and please make sure that you ask questions. We do forex, we do indices, we do bonds, we do stocks, and we do commodities, and we do the whole shebang, right? So for you to come here today, happy 9th of March. Hope you made some profits today. Hope that you, I don't know if you bought euro, if you bought Aussie, whatever you did, but let's go through it so that we can make some trade plans, right? Bada bing, bada boom. Other than that, that sounds like a good deal for everyone else. So we're just gonna give it a small link to everyone so everyone can join in, right? So there we are. Good. So what should we have as top comment? Not top comment. What should we have as top thing today? Today we should have a top thing as shop.eivindfx.com, and also I'm going to mention a couple of things. And Harold had a very interesting reaction yesterday. He was like, what was that sound about? And that sound yesterday, Harold, was me playing the video of, well, I've started a what do you call it, a small TikTok-y series for myself. Where I started giving. Who subscribed? Ashton, welcome to the family, bro. Boom, happy to have you here. So I'm very happy to have you here. So there's going to be a bit more donate. It's the D word or the G word. I don't know if those are allowed to say that, but in those words. Into the future. Why? Because I have thought about it. Maybe that's the side of me that I need to explore more so I can, feel good about myself. But I think that is, spreading love, spreading harmony is, part of what I do normally. So, giving back is kind of what I'm talking about. So, Tembi, Manny, Marco, James coming in on pound yen. Do you have any orders on pound yen, mister? That is kind of also not necessarily important, but it will be nice to also mention. So for James, pound yen, we have gone a bit higher since this morning. We have made a small pullback. So if you're thinking, well, we have not done anything on the weekly, we have done something on the monthly, and we have hit target, what can that mean? That can mean two things. That can mean that, well, we are set for a pullback, which we are currently doing. So that is currently a buy there. Not that you should take it, but that's that. And then you kind of need to look forward to next week's sell point. And next week's sell point is probably up at 154. That is just an area to look forward to, nothing else. Okay. That is that. So, yeah. Hopefully, some of you guys. Well, Nick actually shared the video I posted on Instagram today. So thank you guys for everyone for following that story and making it more known. If you want to know more about it or see more of it, is actually in Discord. Hashtag everyone, but in Discord off topic, and it is currently at 18 likes, and that is way better than I expected. But it's I think it's fantastic to spread some love and some kindness. Pound yen and gold. So that's kind of my theory here. Is this is pure technical, right? So if you're thinking we should sell it, we have to wait a bit more before we can sell it again. And when we can go into gold, which is also requested by Mr. James, I would say hold on. Target has been hit. chill out. Let's see how things goes. Let's see if we can get this one to continue higher. And other than that, I think that we just need to, be careful up here, okay? We are at a high. It can be the place where it starts reversing. We don't know yet, but we just have to be, we have to be very careful here. So because continue to buy here. So currently it's pretty big pullback. We're coming down to breaking supports. We're coming down to another support. So I'm not saying that should happen, but if it starts turning around again, then you can maybe start buying some small. But that means you need to have stop loss below previous low and getting out very quickly when it turns against you. Okay? Hello, Miro. Hello, Mabaz. Hello, Gareth. There is little risk on the Mo. I don't know what the Mo is, but the moment maybe. CJ, what's the motto? What can help you with, brother? What is happening here? What can help you with? Hey? Need some encouragement? Need a bit of love? Need a bit of cuddle? Need a little hug? I don't know, what do you need? Or you just need USDN? Rotation at the moment is probably just for a few days. Yeah, I am going to mention that in a couple of seconds, but since Gareth brought it to me, I do see that we have hit some targets, we are reversing a bit, and I'm not going to say, well, we're going to go down again. But just take that for that. Take it for what it's worth, that we are pulling back, we are seeing reversal, we are seeing a bit of a rotation in the war as well. Take that for what it's worth. Mira says, what, that Renko option is good? I don't know. I never knew it. It's only on daily, so I don't know if it's good enough for me, but if I need to pay for Pro, can somebody send an email for me to TradingView and give me a free subscription because I'm telling you guys to use TradingView? I don't know. Maybe. Am I big enough? 6,000 subscribers, is that good enough to go to TradingView and say, hey, give me something? Right? So today I have shirt on, so I don't make any mistake as of yesterday, as of showing off my non-existing muscles. And Harold did want to give me what do you call it nowadays? Those weights that you can use for your arms, kind of thing. So, brother, USD yen at the moment is at resistance. It has gone a bit higher. Okay, Nick was right. Whatever. For me, there is nothing here. I would say that whatever happens here, kind of a thing. It's no other. There's, it's slowing down. Can of course pop up higher, but then you have to kind of buy the pullback. But are you late? You are extremely late. If you're thinking of buying, if you have sold it and it doesn't fall, then stop loss. At appropriate time at around 115.90 maybe, 116 maybe, so that you just get out when. But if you have already closest stop loss, then you are probably already wrong. Apologize, but it is. Dumbbell. It wasn't a dumbbell, it's the what do you call it? Vector, not håndjern. Vector is the same thing as security guard in Norwegian, so I'm trying to sign maybe small håndvektor. Maybe that's a better one. Like these ones. This one's kind of a thing. I don't know what to call this. We could just call them hand weights in Norwegian. Pulse energy robotic. Yeah. Hello, Denise. Hello, Tito. Hello, ZJ. Yeah, just gonna mention all the YouTube members before I. Hello, Harold. You're late. Wow. Did you see the drop on gold? Did Putin empty his coffers? No, it was Mr. Slavensky. Not Lewandowski, but Slavensky said that Volodymyr said that they might not need to go into NATO. And that kind of spooked the market more than anything else. So we might think that, not the war is over, but there's less tension. But then somebody told me in Discord, whoever that was, bless that person. I'm gonna find them. It wasn't it was off topic. Wasn't off topic. It wasn't general. It was Den6460 says, Ivan, I hope you are enjoying your Kenyan Sunshine. Quick question regarding oil futures. Contract for April 2022 expiry. It seems there's a lot of block orders for 200 to 300 range. Can you use this for anticipated price movement? That is the current sentiment, that there is a lot of orders or futures going up to 200 on the barrel. So I say that there's a lot of interest in 180 to 200 barrels per 200 dollars per barrel. Sorry, I'm thinking barrels per day, but it's not that. So there's a lot of interest for the next. Well, this can change if the war changed. By the way, this can change stuff. So I'm just gonna mention that. So good on you, Mister. Who was it? Then 6460. If you want to say something about, sure. If you want to say it on Sugar Daddy always wins over bodybuilder. Yeah. Can you look at Natgas and Natgas dropped copper Natgas? I don't know how much you see, Harold, but I told you I'm gonna give you a warning. I'm gonna give you what was it? Mayday. I'm gonna give you a red alert if something happened. And nothing has happened so far. So yeah, good on that one, I guess. It's hasn't turned around yet. So it's currently falling, which is actually pretty interesting, to be honest. More than anything else, it's actually currently to falling. So yeah, just have an open mind about it, and then we can see tomorrow if it turns around. But right now, it's nowhere. It's not bullish at the moment, so I'm just going to be neutral. So that is my look on Natgas. I want this to go higher, and it's currently at the bottom. Fair enough, but it has to turn around every now and then, little bit closer to it, pushing to the sky. I can't remember the song actually. Sorry. Copper. We can do copper. Natgas. Wait. And then we have copper. Copper. Oh boy. Look at that handsome boy. I think copper is. I'm trying not to say what I'm typing though. Copper is broken. It made an iceberg, and then it went down. Sorry. So other than that, it is what it is, I guess. Young comes in and likes my video. Thank you very much, Young. I love that. I don't know if you're here though, but thank you very much if you're here. If you're not, if you are, love you anyways. Why is pound so weak today? Not that I know anything about that, but maybe because they want to ban Russian gas, maybe. Can you look at NG? Have you done that? New Zealand yen is going down. Okay, we can look at that. I can see this draw. I can see this green though, but I don't know. So copper, nothing else. But man, oh man, what did you see? Did you see something? It made a higher high, bro. It made a higher high. Bro! Hey, Sandeep! So Soybean tea. Can somebody give me like a rocket something? Rocket star, rocket star, rocket star. Rocket star, rocket star. Soybean to the moon. Until when? Until May. Cool. Good night. So, I am actively looking for an entry here. I'm just gonna wait for it to stop falling so I can take it back up again. So, yep. Yep. To the moon. To the moon. New Zealand yen. Who said it's falling? No. Okay, it was a question. Sorry, my bad. It is absolutely not going down. It's making a higher high. So it is at 79.29.2. It is currently trying to make not a new higher high, but it's a new high. So it's definitely bullish. Polski. It's going higher. Continued higher. If you sold it, its weight was a bit too early, to be honest. Why is Aussie strong, Mr. Exotic? Rising commodity prices. Yen is weak, actually. That's the reason why yen pairs has been falling lately. Was not yen's strength, was actually weakness in these currencies. So it's Aussie getting stronger again. And why? Commodity prices, I think. So, coming back to current thumbnail. Euro dollar. First of all, we forgot to do S&P. Okay. Nasdaq. Yeah. Okay. US 30. Okay. All three of them are showing bullish signs, but not bullish. It's just saying that it doesn't fall. It's not falling yet. That's kind of what. But I've said between 5th and 10th should be the bottom. But, where am I? Howdy, Mr. Michael. Miguara says, I just smashed the like button. Like a Thor's hammer. And since anybody can do the same thing. Come on, guys. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do the same. We're gonna go to my account, your channel, 44 people looking at me. Oh no, sorry. I'm supposed to go there.
We've been with
take off my own. Am I gonna look at my own advertisement? It's a bit long. I can still do it. I'm not gonna do it. 23. I'm number 24th, people. I'm number 24th. 24th. There we go. Good on you. So now there's infinity. I love the infinity thing. So if you want to become a YouTube member and you're wondering how on earth do you join these Sunday meetings, you go to this button called join here, and then it brings you to a team weekly forecast if you want to be a member of that. Or you can go show support for Eivindfx. You can become member. You can send a super chat or send a super seeker. That is only up to you. That is the options that you have. People asking like, "Where do you know? How do you get access?" Well, that is how you get access. Okay, you're welcome. So right now we have 6,170 people supporting this channel. Thank you very much. Dennis. Hi, Evan. Thank you for the response regarding all features on Discord. It was you. Okay, cool. Then we're all good. Will Aussie Yen retest broken level? I see a double bottom, but I need more confirmation. For Aussie Yen to be a double bottom, it has to be at a bottom. It's currently at a top, by the way. Is this a double bottom? I would say double bottom is kind of these areas, and probably yeah. This is around the sell area, and I don't like it at all. So I'm chickening out. But maybe if it turns around, maybe I will take it then. But Definitely buy some, definitely sell some, and she'll see who wins in the end. I'm gonna smash that like button twice for you. You're very much welcome. EURUSD, says Jason. Didn't we do EURUSD? We were supposed to do dollar. Dollar is currently falling. Okay, cool. Went too fast, too hard. Coming back down again. S&P 500. Currently not making a higher high, but, you know, fair enough. Going into EURUSD. Is this, people, a reversal? Is this a reversal? Turn around. Is EURUSD currently? Is EURUSD currently reversing? That's totally up to you. I want 50% of you to respond to that question. It's really simple. It's either yes, no, or yes or no. So you either agree, you disagree, or whatever you agree with what. So, while you guys are thinking of that question, is 100% yes at the moment, apparently. 80% now, 5 votes, 80-20. And I would say that I'm going to give you the answer soon. Somebody asked about pound is weak. Pound is making a higher high, though. I don't know if that makes you any more happier, but not that weak at least. The lull since is okay twice. Because 90. Arrowwind, for day trading futures is best. There is no futures on Forex. So oh yeah, okay, is day trading futures, or I don't have that what do you call it? I don't have those numbers. What is best of those two things? No. So we have 21 votes. We have 45 current viewers. So I need 2 more votes. There we are. So we are 23 votes out of 44 people. I'm gonna end it. And okay, one more vote. Just one more vote. One last guy. Come on. You can do it. Click. One more vote. Come on. I know you're out there. Yeah, it is. Miro, it is. I'm just waiting for one more vote. There it is, finally. Son. You guys are mostly thinking that, yes, Euro is currently reversing. Okay. This is not a reversal I like. Euro is, yes, going higher, but with this kind of reversal at the moment, that is not it's not something I like to see. It's kind of like it's like something that would just continue lower at the later date. That is how because how would you see a reversal? You know, that's kind of what you're thinking of, but it's a bit slower here, so I don't like it. But of course it can go higher, but you know, it is what it is. So right now I'm just thinking, okay, yours going higher. So what I was thinking then, we are thinking, well, maybe if it goes back up to 110, 1020, 111 to see if it reverses from there. It's just a pullback, yeah. So that is that is my conclusion to it. I can be wrong, I can be right, I can be whatever. So right now I'm just saying as a pullback. But we have ECB tomorrow that can really shake some bananas. So just be aware of the shooken bananas tomorrow with ECB in around 24 hours. And that we might see some higher euro because of more bullish ECB. But I agree with JX. Ivan, I bought AJ at 84,169. Do you think the potential move to further up? I believe so, yes. Any thoughts on wheat? That is an interesting thing to look at. I love that. I love that you guys are a bit more what do you call it? Independent. And you're thinking, well, what kind of interesting pairs can we go through today? So wheat has stopped moving. So what are we going to do about that then? What are we going to do about that? Wheat has stopped moving. Has it reached its potential? I believe, as my personal opinion, that only is applicable to my two big toes, is that we might continue higher. But I have to wait and see better price action than this. Otherwine says, currently euros, you made a higher high, but not bearish this time. Absolutely correct. Monthly target hit was euro. Euro should go up further, in my opinion. I agree with you, Lesso. I've said it a couple of times, and maybe I said it maybe not too many times, but I'm going to say it again. Euro has hit target on weekly, monthly, and we are seeing a small reversal pattern, so it might then continue higher. Kamar asks, what is your thoughts on Aussie dollar? I think it's going to go higher. So my analysis is that it's going to go higher. Not that I want it to go higher, but I think that is two different things, right? I think we can have two tongues in, what do you call it? We can keep our tongue straight in our, in our head, in our mouth, and not be able to, still thinking straight. Cool. So, as we are moving forward, we are now going through S&P 500. I want to buy this thing so fast. Can we buy it again? As far as I know, we might have entered a bear market. Can this be turning bullish at some point? It can. But then my moving averages is not helping me whatsoever. We have a low at around 41.60, which is kind of in no man's land. Yes, it is at support, yes. But we have to have a higher high. We have to have a stronger bullish trend to be for us to start buying again. Can we look at oil? Is it a buy opportunity? Adib, sorry. Very much welcome. Hope you're having a fantastic day as well. And I just want to mention that I am bullish on S&P and would like to buy it every single moment I can. Every candle I can, but I can't right now because it's not technically correct. Feed my mind, Ivan. I would like to know the impact of Biden's ban on oil. That ban on oil has the potential to make oil prices go higher. You also, on the same time, have Zelensky saying that they don't need NATO. So you have two great forces, moving the oil price at the moment. And we did an analysis earlier today, and what was it? They wanted to ban an import of 500,000. I'm going to just put it up there. 500,000 barrels per day. So barrels per day. But America themselves are producing 11 million barrels a day. And in my mind, that is 4%. They're going to ban 4% of their total production. Or whatever. So it has little, not as much impact as you might think. But if Netherlands, which is the biggest importer of petroleum products from Russia, if Germany starts moving, if who else was the next one? Belgium probably as well. Just I'm thinking, let's say these three ones, and if I'm wrong about Belgium, I might be definitely right about Netherlands and Germany, and the rest of the European countries, by the way. But by Netherlands being the biggest one, if they start banning, then we might start seeing some exponential moves on oil. But generally speaking, it should lead to some move higher on oil, which it didn't do yesterday. And I'm just being cautious at the moment. We're now down at 117. Currently falling a bit more and more. So looks like the market is taking a breather at the moment. And we just have to be, be patient as to buying oil at the moment. I'm posting a wheat chart in Discord. Africa needs Russia and Ukraine in wheat, which makes it, what was it? It is mostly Egypt. And what's the other Middle Eastern country? Yeah, I can probably put that up there. And then that is open link probably. Yeah, good there. Africa, major reliance on Russian and Ukrainian wheat. And for Africa, value of wheat imports from into Africa as of 2022. It gets most of it from Russia, and a lot from France, and a lot from Ukraine. And if you take away, is it it's 5,000, whatever that is, 5,000 million. They are taking away, so 2,163 plus 1,277, 744 plus 645 plus 619 plus 527 equals the 50% of the market. Well, it's 6,000. The other ones are 6,000 of the market. And this is 3563 plus 1453 is 5,000. So it's basically around 40% of the market, give or take. 5975. Sorry. Is it 80%? Or am I wrong about how I do my math? Divided by 5016. I always do it wrongly. Yeah, it comes up at 83%. That's what it comes up at. So it's huge. It's huge. Yeah, okay, and now I know what I did wrong. Oops. 5975 plus 5016 equals 10,000 whatever. Divided by total of those was 5975 divided by, I can't even divide it on math. Why is my brain not working at the moment? Yeah, it's 54% of the market. Whatever, 46 then. Sorry. So it's a lot of the market. That's kind of what I want trying to do for 500,000 years. Thank you for giving me the correct percentage for those who does know math. Nicky's long USD yen. Do you think he has changed his mind? No, I don't think so. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much, Abid. Gareth says NG is bouncing off support. I'm not saying it's a buy, it's a definite buy, but yeah, it's just bouncing off. Just let it be. E1. Why is Euro so strong? Because Ukraine said they They didn't need to join NATO. They were thinking about the separatists, that thinking of giving them up to Russia or something. So it's just some of the requirements, but that is at least seen as a de-escalation, like it reduces the tension in the region, and therefore Euro is now getting stronger, because Euro is the one that is mostly hit by, or directly and mostly hit by all of this. And also we have ECB tomorrow, which with a new high oil price needs to revise their forecast for inflation higher. So yeah, that is kind of why Euro is strong. Also, it's hit to take profit technically, so technically it should turn a bit around. All right, so why is my phone buzzing? Oh, it was just general chat. Okay, cool. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. What have we not done yet? Have we done Aussie? We're on Aussie. We have done Euro. We've done Euro. We have done Pound. We've done Pound. Have we done Euro New Zealand? So, Euro New Zealand traders, I'm not hating on you, but you have a very interesting way of doing things, I would say. Okay? You have now a V-shaped pullback, I would call it. Right now, even though it went higher, you thought, well, I should have bought it. Well, to be honest, bro, it's maybe currently 1 hour, maybe turning into a buy right now, but it's nowhere in H that it's a good buy. So, Simon asks a very critical question. So, after all this news, what did Eivind do? Eivind did. I can tell you what I did. I did this. Where is it? I can say what I did. I said yesterday I'm getting out of oil longs, dollar strength trades. I should also, I don't know why it didn't add gold there, but that was also a part of it. So right now that's what I did. I exited market positions to the long side, and I turn into neutral. I see gold falling today. Now it's falling pretty hard. That should be expected. We are also seeing oil falling, not that hard, but still falling. And we are seeing nat gas going back to support. We are seeing silver also having some kind of reaction to the downside. Now, that's kind of what I expect when we get contradicting news to the current escalating situation in Ukraine. So I'm neutral. That's what I am. Probably not what you wanted to read, wanted to see, wanted to be, but I'm neutral. And for the simple reason is price can now enter a large range or fall hard depending on how much they think this is going to change the outlooks. We have price in pretty grim situation at the moment. So to have a breather and going lower is kind of what you need to be looking in, what you need to be expecting. Right? So if you now have buy positions on gold and you're losing money, well, you've been told what to do. Not told what to do, but you have been given a pretty clear straightforward message is to wait for it to turn bullish again, and it's not bullish right now. So wait a minute, okay? Wait a minute. I said to Mr. Nick yesterday that he should probably take profit on his US oil, which is hindsight interesting, and I think that I'll probably do it again. And USDN has currently, I don't know what to call it, paused more than anything else. It hasn't continued much higher. It has continued a bit higher, but not much higher. And if this one breaks a bit higher, then okay, I guess we can continue the uptrend. But as for my comments on Nick's trade, it's his trade, and I can't say anything else. This is a range. Maybe it breaks out now. Who knows? Who cares? It is what it is. Don't get stuck in a bad trade. Use a stop loss. Yeah, and maybe more than anything else, I know this is gonna hit a couple of people's feelings and toes, but for the love of your account, your health, and your relationship to me, I guess as well, you need to use stop losses. Get out at 50, get out at 100, and ask me, is it still bullish? Is it still bearish? Is it still according to how we want it to be? And most cases, it's probably not. If you have a just stop loss in here and it goes against you. Okay. Thank you. That was kind of my speech there. I want you to succeed. I want you to keep your account. And bad trades can kill you, but good trades can also get you back. Demo trading is, not something nice to do and something nice to look at, but we need to be able to see past that more than anything else. Okay, cool. Today we have excellent connection. And what's the am I sending in finally we are sending in 1920. Boom, finally at 1080p. Jesus. Abbas, did you die, Abbas? Is there anyone here that is here for the first time? Is there anyone here for the first time? Is everyone good old boys, good old girls, gals? We have one more fantastic subscriber called Ashton today. Love it. Carlos comes in and says US 30. Okay. Mikael Norberg. I don't know, Swedish Norwegian maybe. So welcome. If you have any questions, stock, bonds, forex, commodities, far right, far left, depending on what you want to do. I cannot give you any analysis on nickel because it's not tradable at the moment, and I only tell my my own personal opinions, and whatever I say is only my personal opinion, and whatever that is, take it with a pinch of salt. I might be more wrong than you ever imagine. I might be more right than you ever imagine, but that shouldn't change your analysis because you also have to make your analysis with the big boys. So, for Dow Jones, more than anything else, we do have a challenge here. It's called the downtrend. The downtrend that everyone saw coming, nobody wanted. Okay, everyone wanted it, but nobody saw it coming. Everyone saw it coming, but no one likes that. I don't like it to have it. But so we are currently below the 200 average on the 1 hour. We are on the daily. We are, has given up some percentage maybe. We've given up 12% of a full move of 103. 10% back. It's not too bad actually. It's not too bad. American economy is still doing fantastic. So just be mentioned of that. Eivindfx Abaz is working on his pip muscles. Should be back soon. Yeah. Yeah. Did it say it was going to take a coffee or something? Do I have any positions as of right now? I think I panicked yesterday and got out of most of it. So, not so much to brag about today, no. Not so much. Well, there's still still longer term stock market trades. Does that matter? Ahmed asks, is gold in a bullish trend? And yes, it is, but it's not bullish and the 1 hour at the moment. It's currently falling. So I wouldn't touch it with an iron fist. Okay. Good old boys. Good old boys. So, as we're waiting for S&P to go higher, as we're waiting for a 5th to 10th to kick in, also a ban on Russian oil should send American oil companies higher, by the way. Then it did, by the way. I was in the euro trade. Did you buy or did you sell? Like, what do you mean? Jax. Well, somebody was posting a lot of profits on the euro in my channel, and I need to find who that was, because now I just want to congratulate people. You know, he doesn't care. I don't care if you guys think that it's bragging or not. But I think it's positive that, well, that's actually the wrong group. Maybe that's why I don't find it. Ta-da! Somebody posted, can't find it now. Just trying to make you not bored. There is potential to find. No. Okay, I can't find it. Whatever. Sorry. But there was one dude that was posting euro profits. Can't. RK was posting gold profits. Okay. No, miles doesn't work. Okay. Whatever then. What do you think of oil right now? I think oil has reached its current potential short term, and we want a lower price so we can buy it again. Gold is selling hard. Yes, it is. And if you are, thinking that you should buy gold right now, hope you have a big account. I wouldn't touch it. It can go back up again. It can go lower. It can go whatever it wants to go right now. It can. Well, most likely now it's going to fall, right? But is it bullish? Nope. Not anymore. Because on the 1 hour, that is a bullish support. That's a second bullish support, and it just broke that. So it is. Adios, amigos. Señorita, señor. Au revoir. That is kind of what is happening right now. The other thing is, we haven't looked into daily to the retail traders what they are doing. What are they doing, do you think? They are net short Aussie yen. They are net long Aussie dollar. They are net long euro dollar. They are very buying a lot on pound. Wow, okay. They are selling something on New Zealand dollar, and they are they're selling USD yen. Okay. You know, just a normal walk in the market, I guess. But I think the most outstanding one is probably euro dollar, and euro dollar is having a low price, and people just buy. We have also reached up to 70%. Maybe got a bit above, but the end, I don't know if the end is near per se, but you know. Yeah, that's that. Hey, Xavier. Yeah, you sold it, yeah. Okay. Yeah, growth is good. Growth is good. So, going through the markets yet again, just to make sure we all have that. S&P is just waiting for this one to break higher. Dollar is falling. Oz is rising. Euro is rising. Pound is, I don't know, rising. Euro New Zealand is rising. New Zealand dollar is rising a bit at least. Pound yen maybe turning a bit bullish short term, very small short term. USD CAD and nothing to do here. Euro yen turning a bit more bullish. No, that's CAD yen. Turning up. Oh, that is turning bullish actually. That's a good reversal actually, to be honest. And turning into some kind of resistance soon. New Zealand yen trying to make a higher high. NOK yen trying to go higher. Ooh, nice. Oil, no buys, no sells. Well, you can probably sell if you really want to, but I don't want. I'm not going to. Gold falling hard. Platinum falling hard. Pound Swissy, maybe a reversal. Aussie Swissy, maybe not. Bitcoin, interesting. Maybe this one finally has some legs higher. US30, just wait. I'm just waiting on it. Swissy yen, waiting on it. USD ZAR is falling hard. Okay. Let's go on the market right now. What am I looking at? I am in the waiting mode. Waiting mode. Waiting mode. Waiting mode. Yeah. Is there a way for Putin, amidst all these sanctions? I believe Russians has large gold reserves, but is that enough to support the ruble? Yes, probably more than anything else. That is, well, they don't have enough to. If they start cutting off the oil, I saw McDonald's. I saw some other big accounting firms. I saw other people, whatever people are getting out of Russia. So definitely not a positive thing for their. But I also seen there's still some there's still something left in the store. There's still food left. So it's not all bad. But it's not all good either. Davies and Gigi ask about gold. I've done gold a couple of times today, and in my view, gold is neutral on gold. I'm not going to look for buys or sells or anything. Do you have an Instagram where I can chat with you or share analysis with you sometimes? I love how you look at the markets. I have a Discord. If that is helping you, I'm just gonna find a Discord, and I'm gonna find my Instagram. Discord is nice, and then I'm gonna go to Instagram, and then we're gonna go to .com, and then we're gonna go to come on, Eivindfx. There's your boy. There we go. You're welcome. Oil is a sell now. Yeah, if you want to do that, yeah. But be careful. Be careful. News can come out and go there back up again. But if you want to sell it, have fun with it. I'm not going to, so that's up to you. All right, I think that's enough for me. I think other than we're just gonna die into something else in the end, and then we will look at maybe start playing some games and telling some bad stories. I was planning a joke, but I forgot how the joke was. But yeah, I'm thinking of it right now. But what was it, Marco? I don't know. Somebody, Raphael maybe said that yesterday in the Zoom yesterday that I had bad jokes. So I'm not going to tell bad jokes. I'm only going to tell good jokes. All right. Have a good day, people. See you soon. Be careful. Be fun. Come to me in Discord if you need help, and I will try to answer you as much as I can. Other than that, I think you have done what I need to do. Boom. Have a good day. Bada bing, bada boom.